since I don't have anything else to do, so what I did is I revised this crop top for myself. So what I did is I put my imitation Versace handkerchief and then cut some of the lines at that white crop top, and then visibly I put that handkerchief, and then that's gonna be at the back of that crop top. So as you can see, I'm putting it with the pen because I'm gonna hook my earrings that I'm not using it, and I put it there just to have the base, and then and that's gonna be my crop top that I'm using today. So you will see the difference of only crop top white, and now look at that. And that's gonna be my outfit, including with this. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share my video, and then subscribe